you are working kind of a rotation program there. Tell me a little bit about specifically kind of what you did. Like, can you give the listeners an idea of like what is a middle office or a back office job like at a large financial services firm?
Sure. So before, we kind of had that rebrand, it was like literally rotating through the processing functions of this office. So like on our first day, we were like literally given a script and we were answering the phones like in the call center part of the operations and customer service. And then we kind of worked through just, general like financial services, like operations and settlements and processing. And we were kind of just, it's very transactional, so to speak, where we were kind of just like processing these like financial products that the company was involved in, and we were learning what those different procedures and functions looked like, and we were looking for ways to kind of just like streamline some of the processing times of some of those things, and automate if we could. It definitely wasn't particularly interesting. Let me put it that way. But
It's
when we
basically
got rebranded,
whatever they couldn't automate, you had to do manually. But like
exactly.
they were very happy to automate it if you had an idea.
We did a rotation in the mailroom.
Yeah.
Even it was like all the kinds of crazy stuff you could think of. But then when we got rebranded, it wasn't like we got more interesting work overnight, but we were really fortunate to move into like what is like a global hierarchical structure of our company. And from there, before like anything kind of came, I was definitely trying to like build relationships with the people in this new strategy group,
Mhm.
in our headquarters, which was in New York City.